What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a rough couple of days trading my combine. Has not been easy, but we are making progress. So one of the things that I've just been needing to work on is patience, fear of missing out lately. I think just because I want to get this combine over and done with, and so I can trade live. So there's a lot of stuff like that. It builds that fear of missing out on a big move, and then you enter in too early and stuff like that. That's what's been happening to me. I think I'm in $500 drawdown so far on the training. But we will see what we can come back from. So 9:30 open, we have this sell side down here, and then we have yesterday's low, which is also a sell side that could be taken. And let's see here. Oh, good. See what? Or I don't know why they put these things on my chart. I cannot get them off. It's kind of annoying. I don't know why they highlight the electronic trading hours. Um, here we go. Don't mind, like, here, hold on. It's definitely going for that buy side up here. See if we get manipulation of this, and then if we close below it, we could see a potential reversal here. Probably just took out that buy side. See if we can go into that 15-minute. we get manipulation of this, we'll definitely go down to yesterday's low, take out that liquidity down there. It is Thursday, so we'll see what happens. The ideal place to see price come up into would be this fair value gapped up here. So our first presented. First presented fair value gap here. We do have a breakup structure here. We'll see if it's manipulation or if it's actually wanting to go higher. Do have quite a lot of volume here. Looks like BISI, the institutional orders being taken here, and yeah, BISI. Thank you, love. Strong low. This was a got a breaker block right here as well. Came back into that 15-minute fair value gap. You could take a possible short here. As far as today, I'm gonna focus on today selling or taking continuation patterns that I see. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Just waiting. I'd like to see it come back down into here, form a swing low, and then we'll take a trade. See if we can go to. Honestly, this is kind of see if we could go up to here, but I think that's a long shot. Let's aim for this first. Alright, just waiting for the pullback here. Gonna stick with my rules today. We have to drop below a equilibrium before we take a trade, even on continuation. There is a little minor swing low here, but it's nothing like that I would like to see form, like a beautiful formation. I would like to see something like that would be nice, like a break, swing high, swing low, come back in the middle, and we take a short. Something like that, like something real nice, price action. Something that's clear to me. Even that is not bad either. You swing down low, and there's a fair value gap here. Just touched inside that. Take a trade. So we got a little swing high, swing low here, turning this fair value gap inversion. I'm gonna take a buy here. Stop loss below here. Oh, this is my demo account. We're like 10 minutes away from being 10 o'clock, so I'm just gonna wait. See what we do here. I think I like to try to look for trades at the start of the hour, and then but as far as like trading at the 10 o'clock, like 9:50 to 10:10, usually like to wait. I think I need to start waiting at least, because there's so many times I'll be in a trade and it's just not wanting to move in a direction. Just waiting. I don't want to. I'm not taking an order. Price action for me is really sloppy right now. Even though you could have taken an entry off of here, it's just I don't like it. I like to see something more clear. Like a solid, like for example, like a breakout structure like this, pull back down, fair value gap paired with order block, something like that, something more clear. There's a lot of times I think in the past couple days I would take stuff off of unclarity, as far as if it was like actually clear. And I think I've just kind of recognized the difference between that. So to keep my mind clear, I'd need to look for clear price action, because as soon as I start taking losses, I definitely experience the what every trader experiences sometimes, is that like kind of you kind of lose sight of the market, of what it's actually doing and what it's actually telling you. came back down into that fair value gap, started to push higher. Still gonna wait for that 10 o'clock to roll around. Almost the 10 o'clock. Yeah, that could have been a good trade there as far as continuation. Um, just didn't really like the price action around that trade. And usually New York lately has been a little bit more sloppy as far as clarity for me. That doesn't mean you couldn't take a trade there. This would be your swing low. That'd be your swing high. You have it dip down into that fair value gap here, and then equilibrium. That's perfect continuation. Little scalp, and then you can take. I don't know. I've been experimenting with this measured move here. Like I would take this like that. And then if I enter right here, I would take a profit up here. Cause so like this was the swing low. I would actually say that was the last swing low, but so if we take a swing low here like that, this move from this low to this low, we can take that and bring it up, and give us kind of like a measured move to get our take profit level as far as the scalp goes. So if we don't want to take profit like just at that high for a quick scalp, we can also look for probably take one off and then cover our position and then leave one to run. So right now have. Looks like we might want to reach for this up here. You're gonna mark little blue markers there for future references. Because for some reason they, like at the end of the day, Topstep erases all your orders that you've been. Like yesterday I had a lot of orders in here. But when they erase your history. So yeah, if you're not diligent with like keeping a log or a photo of what you done yesterday, they'll be erased. If we see structure shift up here, like a kind of forming a swing low here, and then we have a break of that, we will take, I need to remind myself this, we'll take this low here to that high. If we get a shift of structure above equilibrium here, then we'll look for shorting opportunities into a discount area, which would be down in here. And the clock starts the new 4 hour. So see what that does. See if we get a push up here and then break down. We could see price definitely go lower. Oop. I wish there was I wish I could reduce again. Like I wish there was something lower than a mini for the Nazdaq. So I'd really like to just risk $50 on it since I only have $1,000 or $2,000 stop or $2,000 drawdown, maximum drawdown. Because really, like even though it's a 50K, I'd be risking like $200 a trade, but because I have the maximum 2,000 drawdown, I really, that's kind of you really want to like reduce risk to like 0.5% instead of 1, even lower than that, like 0.25. Got a little swing high formation there. You go like on the 2 minute, see it. A little swing high here. I think that's all that triangle patterns indicate sometimes too, when the retail space is just a swing high. I think the trouble with trading the most to me is knowing why price action is doing what it's doing. Which I mean, that's for everyone, right? Versus just like going off of like, oh, price is breaking structure. Okay, now it's indicating that it wants to go lower, stuff like that. Even though that is a part of, reading price action and reading, the like just price action to and kind of predicting on what it's going to do. But why is it breaking the structure? I think those questions always kind of like, if I could know those questions, they'd be, I think they'd give me more confidence. Like, why? But at the same time, on a minute time frame, I don't think you can really, because even like a volume indicator is lag, like it's a lagged indicator. Like you'll see volume spike, and by the time it's already spiked, you just like, oh, missed the move, right? So it's kind of like, uh, I'm convinced as far as like trading like an algorithm moving the market. I think it's I don't know, like ICT says it's algorithm moving the market. I think it's kind of both. I think it's both buyers and sellers in an algorithm, which makes a lot of fun. I'm sure. Like I think like if based on where buyers and sellers are, the algorithm creates liquidity and then moves. You know what I'm saying? So like buyers and sellers definitely have a play in as far as the way the algorithm I think moves. Anyways, that's just my 2 cents. Got a break of structure here. Swing high. See if this becomes a strong high or not. Even though this traded off that order block, I have to see it come down below a 50% retracement. So for me and my rules, the only trade opportunity was right here. Even if I have to watch price action today and not take a trade, that's fine. I need to be okay with that. I think it's just now that honestly my emotions are kind of calming down a little bit from trying to. I was really wanting to try to be as fast as possible, honestly. I think in the back of my mind to pass my combine, which would make sense because you know you don't want to pay another month just to keep going. But I wouldn't mind trading a swing here. So I think we could honestly go up to the buy side here. And break that to even. That's my position there. Good trade. Like that little scalp there. That's nice. That's not bad. That was like a 1-to-1. See, well, that was a 2-to-1. That's good. I'll take that. Even though we missed like this move here, this would be the only valid trade we could have taken. We still were able to capture a little bit of something. So this is just a crazy move. I kind of want to take a screenshot of this because it's just the market's just been crazy lately as far as the moves that it makes and what I would expect versus what it does. But I've been meaning to look at the gaps like this and how many times do we fill those in. I think we need to look at that. It's like automatically draw on liquidity. This one we didn't fill in. Thursday. That one we filled in. This one we didn't fill in. Probably what we're filling in up here. Yeah, we filled in that up there. Then we filled in halfway. could be the area where we see a minor reversal down to a discount. Sorry about that. I had to take a little dookie. It's crazy that like whatchamacallit feels a lot faster than what it's actually doing. Like this, like I can't believe like when you're watching the candles, it moves so fast. Whereas when it feels like you take a hour break and you come back and it's only moved that much. It's kind of funny. All right, we'll just see if we get a failure swing here, break of this down here, and then we can. It's gonna at this point in time, we could go to this buy side for sure, for sure. I know we might. I just don't. I'm just too high up here that I don't know. Personally, I just don't like it. I'm sure people can trade all day in that, but and an order block here. Might be a swing high here. This would just be a pivot point on a higher time frame. This right here. It's just kind of what I'm marking out at this right now. I wish they would tell you like your summary of like all your trades that you took. Like why would you not do that? Why? Like it tells you down here, but I want to know the profit per trade. Anyways, we got 81 profit on the day. Just gotta slowly build back up. I'll probably break even by next week sometime. Get back to 50. We have to touch that. That'd be crazy if we don't, but get some perspective here on the 15. Paper trading. Wait, this is my trade. Wait, that's. I need to change this. Okay. Let's see, paper trading. Late 14th. So, the nice thing about this week so far, I think I might be done for the day, but the nice thing about this week so far is that we were right in our bias. So, this was our bias. So, this is how we form our bias on the week. So, let's see, where's Monday? Monday rolled around. You take the, what is this, 15-minute? That's okay. We'll take, somewhere around there's like the first opening candle, right? If we're trading below that first opening candle on a Sunday, we can be looking for buys. If we buy here, anywhere in here, we can expect to have a swing trade and leave it open until leave the trade on until Friday or Thursday high, or just depending on where you want it to get out at. But you can leave that trade on. We did have a Tuesday was a rejection off of Monday, or it was taking out sell or buy side or sell side liquidity. So sellers that have gone long, maybe around here, is just taking that out before making the high, which will be on a Friday or a Thursday high. So it's kind of what happened this week. So we were right as so far as overall bias the week of it going higher. It has been just trading up and down, honestly, in this range here, but overall it's been bullish. Meaning bullish trades have worked out a lot more than the bearish ones, except for Tuesday. Yeah. we just took out that buy side up here, kind of like a long-term target. All right, $80 for the day. I'm happy with that. I'll take my profit. We got a long ways to go to recover, but I'm sure we'll get there if we just trade like we did today. We missed one down here, but we followed our rules pretty good with this trade here. I'm happy with that one. Got a low, swing high action there, and took a trade. So I'm happy with that one. Even though it's very short, I liked it. So then let's see how we could have improved as far as entry on here. So 9:30 exactly, we took out sell side here. We left that untouched though. And then we drove up, breaking structure. And then kept going. You could have, I guess, if we were really aggressive with it, we could have taken a trade off of this reclamation block here. I'm sorry, breaker block, because the reason why this is a breaker is because this movement took out that structure and that structure. So break of structure here and break of structure there, and when it closed above it, this became a breaker. So dipped back into the mean threshold of it and then launched higher. So if we caught a move like this, it would be nice. Usually our stop would just be below that. That. All right. I think we might get a little shift of structure here towards the downside, and then see it rebound, kind of come down into here before pushing higher, or down into like this area here before wanting to go higher. But I think I'll be done for the day, and end the day in profit, even though it was just one trade. So, all right, you guys have a lovely rest of your day. I hope you guys stay profitable, and yeah.